March 23rd, 9 o'clock, heading out. 2 jobs today, maybe 3. 2 estimates to give. Hopefully I'll be done by 3, 4 o'clock. We'll see. I'll try to get a little bit more footage today, but I doubt it, because I always forget. I am running low on bleach. Supposed to get 200 gallons this on Friday, but I am out. I'm down to these 4 gallons right here, and whatever I got in my tank here, which is about, I don't know, 6 or 8, but I'll make it work. All right, first job of the day. Set up. This one's pretty dirty, but pretty small vinyl home, pretty straightforward. $150 of hose pulled. It only gets me about halfway in the back. I don't really like that. I typically like to run 200, 250, but I can't really downstream what I need to downstream with that much. So it is 9:52 and we're about to get started. It's already changing pretty quickly, so let that hang out here. I'm gonna go ahead and give this other side a coat too. All right, I'm gonna stop filming. I'm gonna try to get this house knocked out pretty quickly. Soaping this real nasty side. About after I soap this, I'll be about 3/4 of the way done. I don't know what this stuff is. Horse carriers or something. I'm already starting to turn over here. M5, almost reaching the top. This nozzle's all right. I'm not a biggest fan of it, but it's all right. All right, hoses are wrapped up. Tank's draining. Already got paid, did a walk around. While I was working, I had 2 calls. So, see you at the next job. All right, got hose pulled. Second job. I'm probably gonna hit every single house in this neighborhood with some door hangers after I finish. Try to get every foot of hose we can get. I told you, whenever I'm running 150 feet, but it's really just dirty. Kind of on the front. But we're gonna wash the whole thing. Water tank's filling up. Sometimes that doesn't click on, but all right. So we'll just give it about 5-10 minutes. Start up and get going. Okay, wrapped up. About to leave job number 2. Probably it for the day. I'm just gonna go tack on a couple estimates. We've gotten 5 leads today. I was at this house for probably 35 minutes longer than I should have been. I was waiting on water. I had to wait for, I don't know. I kept on running it down. Just didn't have very good pressure. All right. See ya.